So the base campaign we did in January, which is called 1001 Gift. So it is part of 360-degree campaign when we launched our new child plan campaign. So this child plan campaign is slightly different than how the child plan campaign has done by the category. So what we thought, we brought something called linkage to occasion-based marketing. What we meant by occasion-based marketing, I've just given some example, you'll understand, is like KitKat, and like, if you look at be it chocolate or something, or like, when we say Cadbury Dairy Milk Subharam, so anything starting something new, you should buy a Cadbury Dairy Milk. Maggie 2 minutes when you come back from school. So it is always, a lot of this FMCG category is always linked to a particular segment. So at that segment you feel like having it. So Park is another example. So if you look at a lot of FMCGs like across segments has gone and said that segment, they linked it to a particular time, like at this moment you should have it. Like Kellogg's is for breakfast, so it is all occasion. So Kellogg's you can have in the evening also, but but it has been primarily positioned as a breakfast snacks. So we thought like a child plan you can buy at any point of time, but what's the occasion to really think about that you should do something more for the child? It's the birthdays. So when you are looking at a birthdays, like you are thinking to give a gift. So we thought, why don't you give a child's future, secure future as a gift during the birthday rather than when you are planning other gifts. So these other gifts are fine, but why don't you look at that? That's a creative idea. We thought how to really take it on social. So we did a lot of brainstorming. So we came up with a concept called 1001 Gifts. It's a display plus social media campaign. So display, we created a microsite. We had asked people to come there and and choose the 1001, what is the gift idea, and put it the best gift idea for your child and put it in the box. The best gift idea will definitely award the best gift idea, and we'll also tell you about how to really secure your child's future. Then we did a contest. On that basis, we did a Twitter hashtag contest saying that please give the best gift idea for your child, and if it is like your tweet, if the hashtag is actually starts trending, and then you are the highest, you got the highest links, so you will get an award. So then along with that, we also did a bloggers contest saying that can you really make that like same that 1001 gifts as hashtag, can you make it trend, and and again the similar contest saying that what is the best gift idea for your child. So microsite got around 40,000 responses, like we got around 7,000 tweets, and we trended for 2 days, like on the top three hashtag link in India. So what we saw in that campaign that 82 bloggers participated, 7,000 tweets, 40,000 people came and gave that gift idea. So again, it's a linkage of, it's a 360-degree campaign which is going on. It's a linkage with the display and social together. So we saw the visibility has gone up, and trending particularly for an insurance hashtag that were the 1001 gifts is really great. We thought it's like we achieved our objective. All this thing actually has happened in the span of like all this unique widget happened in the span of 3 weeks. So whatever our basic objective we set for ourselves, when we started the idea in terms of widgets, in terms of tweets, in terms of trending, all this thing we have achieved. So for us, it was the best campaign, which is an integrated campaign. It's just not a social media campaign. It has social media, display, and upline back into it. And more importantly, the first time we have utilized the bloggers into it, and we saw the results in terms of trending.